In order to speed up your workflow inside of GIMP, it is important to know the keyboard shortcuts that are there. So in order to view the keyboard shortcuts, you can go around onto edit and then go to keyboard shortcuts right here. And over here, you can see that there's different keyboard shortcuts as you open up different keyboard shortcut options right here. So for all of these settings right here, you can see that there's keyboard shortcuts that you can actually utilize. Many of them are disabled right here, as you can see right here, but you can go around and assign keyboard shortcut to them as well. For example, over here you can see that closed view is Control W right here. Let me just go around and press Control W, and then the view is closed out right here. Let me just press OK right here, and if I were to go around onto keyboard shortcuts right here, then there's other keyboard shortcuts, like for example, to access airbrush, it's A. So if I were to press A right here, then I get access to airbrush immediately. So instead of having to go to the particular airbrush right here, it's simply easy enough to go around and press a button right here. If I were to go around over here, you can see that there's different option right here. For example, for creating a new file, it's Control N. So if I were to press Control N on my keyboard, then I simply have the new create new image dialog box right here that I can utilize over here just like this. And this is how you can utilize shortcut keys inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.